have a responsibility to do what is in the best interest of the Jamaican people. The Parliament is the bedrock of our stable democracy and our free society. It must celebrate the best of Jamaica. It must project what makes us a great people. So said that lady right there. Fantastic effort. The first and only female prime minister in our country. And she did it a couple of times, actually. And she ends her representational, what should I say, political reign.
Reign?
Yep.
Okay.
She's
Mama P.
been around for a long, long time.
On the front page of the Gleaner, she says, I endured it all.
Yep. She is, I'm trying to, St. Andrew Southwestern. That's what I was trying to find. She's been here for a long time. When she was given that, I guess you call that a bouquet?
Yes, a bouquet.
For the now president, Dr. Peter Phillips, who was taken over. And she was what? It was 1, 2, 3. I think she was the 4th president of the People's National Party. And she has moved on. Good luck, ma'am, in your retirement. I wish you all the very, very, very best. You've done brilliantly. And,
what do you think she's going to do? Like how the Obamas went on vacation. You think she's going on vacation and just
I suspect if she don't start yet, she'll write a book. I suspect she needs to write a book. It's a great story. And I think she's proven that it can be done, you know? It can be done.
It could be did, yes.
Yeah, so congrats for what you've done. And again,
thank you.
And, yep, and God bless as you move on, man, and have a great time. Have some fun. Travel around the world. And,
please. That would be awesome to see some pictures of you all over the place.
Write your book. I'll be on Twitter by then. So
yes, by then he'll be following you on Twitter.
What's the next one?
Cornwall Regional Hospital, again, having drama with the air conditions down there.
Again?
Yes, and it seems that about 5 nurses, they said, fell ill on the job.
I thought they'd fix that.
So did I.
Noxious fumes.
Yeah, I thought that was over and done with, but apparently it's there again. Montego Bay has a hospital suffering from bad air. They earlier in the year had scaled down because the fumes were coming through the ventilation system, so they had to close certain parts of the hospital to be able to locate the problem and fix, as they said, the problem. But obviously, it has reared its ugly head again. Investigations carried out by the Ministry of Health and the Pan American Health Organization said it was discovered that the fumes the initial time were the result of fiberglass particles from the ventilation system becoming loose after being disturbed by efforts to clean. So it's like they tried to clean, they made a problem, they tried to fix the problem, we thought the problem was fixed, and here it is again. So hopefully they can get that under control soon.
Incredible.
Yeah.
All right.